Hinge dating app honest review. So, let's go to the pros of Hinge. The detailed profiles. The prompts and photo layout allows for more personality and better conversation starters. The higher quality matches. People on Hinge generally look for something serious, not for fun only. And less ghosting, because users can comment on prompts and it feels more natural to start conversations. And now let's go to the cons. There are limited free likes. Once you run out of free likes, you will have to wait or pay for more. Smaller user base than Tinder. This may limit options in smaller towns. Occasional bugs. Some users report glitches with notifications or chat syncing. So, for final verdict, Hinge is the one of the best apps in 2025 for people seeking relationships instead of hookups. So, if you are ready for something more meaningful and serious, it's worth a try. So, if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.